Hi, my name is Salman Khan.
And I'm Katrina Kaif.
And you're watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.
कितनी मासूम सी तमन्ना है, नाम अपना तेरी जुबान से सुनो। कुमुद रैना नाम जानना चाहती थी, नाम है भारत। आज हमारे साथ में सलमान खान एंड कैटरीना कैफ एंड विल फाइंड आउट दैट व्हाट्स रियली इन अ नेम। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आप लोगों का बॉलीवुड हंगामा पे। एंड सर, व्हाट्स रियली इन अ नेम इफ यू कैन talk about, because I think it's part of the context of the movie as well in a way.
हमको कोई से बेटर नेम मिला नहीं और हमको एक आदमी का नाम चाहिए था ताकि वो एक आदमी और औरत का एक नाम जो कि कॉमन है वो चाहिए था हमको, और हम ढूंढ रहे थे और फिर हमारा एक दोस्त से जगी, उसकी पत्नी का नाम है कुमुद, तो और हमारे कुमुद मिश्रा साहब जो हमारी पिक्चर में भी हैं, तो ये औरत और आदमी का कॉम्बिनेशन हो गया, तो हम जाते हैं किसी कुमुद सर से मिलने को और मिलती हैं कुमुद मैडम सर।
राइट।
ये स्टोरी मैंने अभी बनाई है।
The dialogue I think which has become so famous, is it one of the most memorable dialogues as far as the ones that have been picturized in you?
I think so. I love it. we all every day I'm finding a new person to say it to. So every day.
कौन सा dialogue है?
इतनी भारी ज्ञान की ज़रूरत बिल्कुल नहीं है. That I say when you guys come for the employment. Where you say madam sir for the first time.
चुनाव नामांकन के लिए.
नामांकन क्या?
नामांकन.
नामाकुल.
Namankan.
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 Namankan. Okay.
That one.
Right.
I think so. I love it. I mean, I think Ali wanted, when he wrote this character, I was not originally there in the film, so.
There was, I think Priyanka Chopra was trying to.
Relax. So when he.
Thank you, Priyanka.
You've thanked her a lot.
But I think what was great
She's
about
not there
it.
in the film, but she can help in the promotion of the film. Because it was, she had also loved the script.
Yeah, it's a fantastic script, and I think the Kumud's character is one of the best that I've had best characters that I've had a chance to play, and definitely one of my most personal favorites.
And she over Bharat, she did choose USA in the nick of time.
Okay, it's okay. Just yeah.
But it's amazing.
We'll get there.
She's worked all her life so hard, okay, and when she got the biggest film of her life, she dumped that film and she got married. Hats off. It's hats off. Usually people leave their husbands for a film like this.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay.
And you've said that इनको national award मिल सकता है इस film के लिए. And
इनको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. I don't think anyone else thinks that. I mean, जिनने भी सिर्फ प्रोमो देखा है, I think 1000% इनको national award मिल सकता है. 1000%, क्योंकि इससे बड़ी फिल्म और इससे इंस्पायरिंग फिल्म और हमारी मिट्टी से जुड़ी हुई फिल्म, आई डोंट थिंक कि अभी इस कुछ टाइम तक ऐसी फिल्म आएगी जिसमें एक्शन है, कॉमेडी है, भारत का ग्रोथ है, भारत के ग्रोथ के साथ इस भारत का ग्रोथ है, जर्नी है, उसके साथ इनकी जर्नी है, साथ साथ में एज ग्रुप्स हैं, बचपन से लेके बुढ़ापे तक का साथ देना, एक बॉडी लैंग्वेज में डिफरेंस है, एक उम्र में डिफरेंस है, एक परफॉर्मेंसेस में डिफरेंस है, तो आई थिंक दिस नेशनल अवार्ड inshallah should go to her unless somebody comes up with incredible performance and a film much better than this, जो कि I don't think अब पिक्चर का फेथ है, वो पिक्चर चले ना चले वो हमारे ऑडियंसेस के ऊपर है. उम्मीद करते हैं
the biggest reward is that the audience
उम्मीद करते हैं और I don't think इस फिल्म से किसी को कोई भी कमी या डिसअपॉइंटमेंट महसूस होगी.
प्रोमो में एक चीज़ जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं और मुझे लगता है कि आई थिंक मूवी का वो काफ़ी हद तक फलक्रम हो सकता है जो आपकी रिलेशनशिप जैकी सर के साथ में है, और कुछ डायलॉग आई थिंक बहुत बहुत क्रूशल हैं जो वैल्यूज़ उन्होंने आपको बचपन से सिखाई हैं. तो अगर प्लीज़ आप कुछ बताना चाहें उसके बारे में.
तो यही है कि एक फ़ादर का इंतज़ार है, एक फ़ादर ने एक वादा किया है और कुछ हालात ऐसे हैं कि he has given the responsibility to this 9-year-old kid who is the eldest brother and sister, brother of 2 brothers and 2 sisters and 1 brother, and he's got his mother who is a single mother now, and how he हर जुगाड़ करके हर रिस्की चीज़ करके मेहनत करके पूरा फैमिली को एक साथ लेके बढ़ता है without giving a damn about himself, about his love life. देखता है कि जहाँ पर मेरे फादर ने कहा था कि वो आएंगे उसको बरकरार रखता है कि वो जगह रहेगी. और जो वादा जो बाप से किया था कि पूरे ख़ानदान का हेड अब मैं हूँ, 9 साल की उम्र से he becomes the head of this house and his journey till the age of 72.
You must have seen many films of Salman. Do you think it's one of his finest performances?
I mean, it's always tough for us to make that judgment, and I don't see it like that. You know, I don't look at the films like that. I definitely feel this is going to be a film that we're all very, very proud of. I think it's Ali's best script for sure. It's a film which is a really beautiful experience. It's like it's like an event film. It's coming on Eid, of course, and what's beautiful about it is I think all the effort and all the hard work has gone into making the best film possible. It's not gone into trying to show scale or into promotion or this. We've just everyone has been solely focused on creating a film out of a lot of love and a lot of passion, right. From Atul, who's the producer, who's been living with the script for a long time. It was a passion project for him to make this film. From the time Salman signed the film to Ali came on board, to when I came on board, I fell in love with the script immediately. For me, I became consumed with just trying to get this character right as to the best that I could of my ability. So a lot of effort has gone behind it. And when you put that much effort behind a film, I think you become excited for the audience to see it. Of course, there's always that bit of nerves and that tension is there, but your excitement is there because you know the effort has gone in the right place.
अब देखो जो प्रोमोस हैं, गाने हैं, ऑलरेडी इतने अप्रिशिएट हो चुके हैं
जी.
और ऑलरेडी सोशल मीडिया पर और जितने भी लोगों से मैं मिलता हूँ, everyone says कि it's amazing, it's a big hit. Now all they have to do is go to the theater and enjoy the whole 2.5-hour movie.
Right.
I mean, the battle, so far is already won, okay?
Right.
Because the excitement of going to the theater, is already there.
100%.
And वो excitement, enthusiasm and the urgency, the picture कब release हुई है, that, somehow it is there. It is there.
आपके करियर में you've had some phenomenal songs. जिस तरीके से दर्शाए गए आपके गाने बहुत ही खूबसूरती से दर्शाए गए. भारत में अगर हम जैसे देखते हैं कि चाशनी का जो पिक्चराइजेशन है, Ali really enjoys the song picturization. He told me that he makes movies because that he can get songs in terms of picturization as well. And पानी के ऊपर आप लोग चल रहे हैं, स्लो मोशन का बहुत खूबसूरती से किया गया. तुर्पिया आई थिंक बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना है. जिंदा आई थिंक लुक्स अमेजिंग. कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है एक सॉन्ग एंड डांस को कनेक्ट करने के लिए ऑडियंस से, स्पेशली फॉर अ मास एंटरटेनमेंट?
देखो आज पहले जब हम लोग पिक्चर करते थे कट्टू एक गाना होता था
जी.
अब वो कट्टू गाना नहीं होता. ओके वो पिक्चर के अंदर फ्लो इन करता है सिचुएशन के अंदर. ओके अब आई बिलीव दैट गाने शुड ऑलवेज बी लिप सिंक. कुछ ऐसे डायरेक्टर्स हैं बिलीव करते हैं कि यार हिंदी पिक्चर में गाना कैसे हो सकता है, हीरोइन कैसे गा सकती है, हीरो कैसे गा सकता है, वो बैकग्राउंड में चलता है. ओके तो फिर हिंदी पिक्चर है भाई, जाके हॉलीवुड की पिक्चर बनाओ.
सही.
यू नीड लिप सिंकिंग सॉन्ग्स. वो जो गाने हैं जो कि लिप सिंकिंग नहीं, उनके कोई मायने हैं नहीं. जब तक कि हीरो हीरोइन गाना नहीं गा रहे खुद वहाँ पर पर्दे पे, आई डोंट थिंक दोस सॉन्ग्स, एक आध जो चल गया होगा, बट जो भी गाने जो हिट हुए हैं वो ऑल लिप सिंक के गाने हुए हैं. अब अभी हाल ही में सुना था जब ये कौन सा चाशनी जो गाना था, वो ऐसा लगा था कि ये गाना स्लो मोशन से वीक गाना है. बट आप देख लेना ऑलरेडी गाना पिकअप हो चुका है. पीपल ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट लविंग दिस सॉन्ग चाशनी. इसके दो एक्सट्रीम ओपिनियन थे कि ठीक गाना है, और एक था कि it's an outstanding song. I'm in love with Chashni. I listen to Chashni all the time, and with the film, this song will grow even more.
Definitely.
So I think most romantic songs pick up a lot after they have the growth after you see the context of it.
Definitely. We have a few fun segments.
Okay, sure.
The first one is that how well do you guys know each other?
Okay.
So basically, we have questions, one for you and one for Katrina. And so here's
I would love to.
Fine chocolate.
Pamper नहीं कोई?
Fun sir?
Hamper.
इसमें अलग-अलग किस्म की चॉकलेट्स हैं.
Hamper.
आप हैम्पर ही प्लीज समझें.
अच्छा.
नियत को आप देखिए, भावनाओं का.
नियत साफ होनी चाहिए.
अच्छा चॉकलेट है. अच्छा
भले ही चॉकलेट खराब हो, नियत साफ होनी चाहिए.
जी बिल्कुल. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
नियत खोटी और चॉकलेट अच्छे हैं, उसका क्या फायदा?
बिल्कुल सही बात सर. सर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू.
जी.
Where was Katrina Kaif born? I'll give you options.
No. So ये तो
ऑप्शंस आपको ही दूंगा मैं.
नहीं नहीं, ऑप्शंस मत दीजिए, ऑप्शंस मत दीजिए.
ऑप्शंस मैं दूंगा. Where was Katrina Kaif born? The options are London, Hong Kong, Paris.
None of the above. Katrina Kaif was born in. I knew it, yeah. I knew it. Parel.
Parel.
Parel? नहीं, Parel नहीं.
She's laughing.
Waterfield Road.
Chalo, that's his answer.
Sir,
Abhi
these
next
chocolates
question.
are very nice. If you can please.
Yeah,
No,
I'm
no,
asking it
please,
properly.
we'll play this game fairly. We'll play this game
If
fairly.
you can from the options, sir, if you can please take one.
Katrina Kaif was born in the film industry.
Sir, London, Hong Kong, Paris, New York में अगर आप please pick करना चाहें तो.
So in none of these जगह Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. So 1-0 so far. So we'll come to Katrina now. Which of the following films of Salman Khan has won National Award for Best Popular Film? Okay. The options are Sultan, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, Dabang.
It's between Bajrangi Bhaijaan
I don't think anyone has won.
and Dabang. You don't know for sure.
No,
Dabang.
no.
It's Dabang or Bajrangi for sure. 100%.
Take one pick.
Oh, tough. Bajrangi.
1-1. So Bajrangi Bhaijaan it
Because
is.
Kabir likes all these things.
Okay.
My mother didn't go, but Kabir went there
Okay.
to pick up the award.
For Katrina,
Oops.
what is the
I should've
birth
known
date of Katrina Kaif? I'll give you options.
इसमें
16.
ऑप्शन जरूरी है कि मुझे मेरा खुद का बर्थ डेट रिमाइंड किया जाता है कि आने वाला है कुछ दिनों में ऐसा.
So it's 16 June, 16 July, 14 June, and 14 July.
16 June.
16 June, 16 July, 14 June, 14 July.
Are you telling him from over there off camera?
Well, 16 July. What do you think? I don't know your birthday. You're ridiculous.
16 July.
Yeah.
So 2-1. 2-1. That's great.
June.
All right. For which of the following films Salman Khan won a Filmfare Award for the Best Supporting Actor? I'll give you options. Baghban, Jeet, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Bibi Ho To Aisi.
Which he didn't take, huh? Which he didn't take. He left it there only.
Right. Baghban, Jeet, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Bibi Ho To Aisi.
कुछ कुछ होता है.
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. So that's 2-all. That's 2-all. Which of the following directors has Katrina Kaif never worked with? Anil Sharma, Anees Bazmi, Priyadarshan, Karan Johar.
अब इतने डिटेल में इनको जानता नहीं हूँ. वापस से.
Anil Sharma, Anees
She's
Bazmi,
worked with. Anees Bazmi she's worked with.
Priyadarshan,
Priyadarshan.
Karan Johar.
Karan Johar. Karan Johar.
3-2. 3-2. Which of the following directors did not make his debut with Salman Khan? Did not make his debut with Salman Khan. Suraj Barjatya, Suhail Khan, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Rakesh Roshan.
Rakesh Roshan.
3-all.
कमाल है यार नॉलेज फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बारे में तो यार.
Shocking.
3-all. So I think that's neck to neck right now. Which of the following actors has Katrina Kaif never worked? Bobby Deol, Abhishek Bachchan, Imran Khan, Varun Dhawan.
She was going to work with Varun Dhawan, but वो हुआ नहीं इस बार. She walked out of the film.
I didn't walk out of the film.
Yeah.
We had
She
a
didn't-
date
yeah, yeah.
clash.
हाँ वही जो भी
Had
है.
a date clash.
She preferred this film to that film.
So it's 4-3.
No. She needed more time to train as a dancer. That's why she.
In which of the following films Salman Khan played a police officer? Okay, Garv, Jai Ho, Baghban, Bandhan.
I can only choose one?
G.
I can only choose one.
In which of the following Garv
Garv.
Played a police. Did
Yeah.
not.
played a police officer? Garv.
Garv.
So what was the name of Katrina Kaif in the political drama Rajniti? I'll give you options.
That chocolate is coming to me.
Shruti, Indu, Dea, Anjali.
मैं चॉकलेट इनको दे दूँ.
So you've been playing really well. 4-all. It's I think.
Give it your best. Give it your best.
देखो अगर राजनीति है तो फिर I mean they were inspired by इंदिरा गांधी तो इंदू ही होगा और क्या होगा.
Okay.
It's right.
Even if I win it, I will
5-4.
still give you this chocolate.
5-4.
Thank you.
5-4. Which of the following Salman Khan films does not have Shah Rukh Khan in it? Does not have. Tubelight as cameo. Tubelight, Chori Chori Chupke Chupke, हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा, हम तुम्हारे हैं सनम.
He's there in Hum Tumhare Hai Sanam. He's there in Tubelight. Other one?
चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके, हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा.
Oh, tough.
हर दिल
Don't
जो
tell me.
हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा.
Chori chori chupke chupke.
Okay. So it's
I'm right, no?
5-all.
Yeah, I'm right. I'm right.
Chori chori.
Yeah.
You said it.
Yeah.
Wow.
But everyone can see you mouthed it.
Who can see?
They can
कुछ
see.
किया क्या मैंने ऐसा किया मैंने
Okay, so we'll have one last question as well. So I think.
Yeah, I think we have to have a tie-break.
Ji.
And then this was no cheating.
जी
Fair
बिल्कुल
play, huh?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल For which of the following films did Katrina Kaif get nomination for Filmfare Best Actress? अजब प्रेम की गजब कहानी, न्यूयॉर्क, राजनीति, जिंदगी न मिलेगी दोबारा.
What is being nominated? She deserves awards. And what are these awards? She deserves national award. So I'm not even going to answer this question. Ridiculous question. अब कटरीना कैफ को वहाँ पे नॉमिनेशन में डाल दिया. अब वो हर जगह टीवी पे प्ले किया. हाँ, बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस का नॉमिनेशन, सपोर्टिंग एक्टिंग, बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस, बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस का वहाँ पे डाल दिया और दिया नहीं. Why? Because somebody else went and performed there.
I'll give you a clue. You've worked.
No, I don't want to answer this question. I do not want to answer this question. I don't want to answer this question because these award functions, if they're giving, if they're nominating her, either first of all, I believe that वो nominations के पैसे आने चाहिए कि हम आपको nominate कर रहे हैं, because उसके ऊपर से उतना उनकी publicity होती है वो award function के लिए और वो telecast के लिए वगैरह, और कोई और award लेके जाता है. It's not fair, ना? It's not fair.
So Salman is revolting against this question. He's will not answer.
Okay.
Can I answer it?
Yeah, please.
New York.
Yeah, New York. Okay, so one last question to her.
देखो न्यूयॉर्क में
कबीर सिंह.
या न्यूयॉर्क में नॉमिनेशन हुआ है, भारत में अवार्ड मिलेगा.
क्या बात है. Inshallah. What was Salman Khan's name in the film Wanted? I'll give you options: Prem, Sameer, Radhe, Suraj.
Radhe.
I think so she deserves it.
Yeah, I told you. But I deserve this for that because I guarantee you nobody here will know that.
Yeah, that's true.
This is not general film knowledge. This is a good one.
That is very awesome. If you could like to, please give it to her.
Yes,
thank you so much.
You won.
Thank you.
These rappers.
These are not rappers, it's chocolate. But really, my film, you're impressed, no? My film
very,
knowledge is not bad.
Very, very impressed. So we'll have a rapid fire, and there's one more chocolate hamper that.
Oh, lovely.
This is your chance for you to redeem yourself.
Yes,
sir. So we'll start with Salman sir.
And this is a chance for you to demean me once again.
I did not. I can't help it if I'm just so knowledgeable about
Radhe one was really, even I think a few of the other ones, they were really good.
You know what, sorry, I forgot. I kind of semi-cheated once. I feel a little guilty. Let's play this fairly.
Alright, so rapid fire with Salman Khan. Which is your favorite look from Bharat?
एक जवानी का और एक बुढ़ापे का है.
Alright.
बाकी के दो लोग so almost इधर उधर करीबी हैं.
जी. One quality that Ali Abbas Zafar has that other directors don't have.
He shoots a scene with a lot of conviction. उसको जमा टिका के वो scene कितना भी normal scene हो या बेवकूफ़ी का scene हो, you know, he knows how to treat that scene and make it look presentable.
जी. Your all-time favorite outdoor location in India or abroad?
India के अंदर मेरे locations हैं, एक तो मुंबई है.
जी.
महबूब स्टूडियो घर के पास है, बहुत अच्छा लोकेशन है. और फिर बीच में यशराज के पास बहुत काम कर रहा था तो वो यशराज स्टूडियो है. फिल्म सिटी है यहाँ बाहर, राजस्थान है. Okay, then I'm dying to go to Arunachal Pradesh to shoot there. Okay, कश्मीर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So these are locations that I like shooting.
If you can describe the following films of yours in one word, how would you do that, sir? Sajan.
A musical, love story.
Partner.
Comedy.
Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam.
Romantic film.
Sultan.
Emotional action drama.
If not an actor, what would following people be? Aamir Khan.
I don't think that Aamir also would know what he would be if he was not an actor, so I don't know what Aamir will be. But I'm sure that whatever he'll be very successful at what he does.
Ji. Katrina Kaif?
Katrina Kaif, if she's not an actor, she would be...
Producer? She's turned a producer recently.
You're doing producer?
Not yet. Soon, hopefully.
Yeah, they should be married and produce children.
If I was not an actor,
yeah.
What profession would I be? He's asking. Like,
profession,
would I be a doctor? Would I be an engineer?
How much? I mean, there's a lot of work here.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan, I can do anything
Alia
and
Bhatt.
be good at it.
जी, Alia Bhatt.
I don't know what Alia Bhatt would be.
If you're a product, what would be your tagline, sir?
That's good.
If I was a product, a tagline?
जी.
This a product not producing. Reproducing but not producing.
Comedy is the toughest genre of all.
Yes.
सलमान खान की फिल्म के साथ क्लैश करना मतलब खुदकुशी करना.
झूठ, गलत,
I do take reviews of my films seriously.
बिल्कुल झूठ.
Okay.
Depends on who's giving me the review.
The audience review you matter.
Audience review.
Matters.
Audience review does matter. 100% matters. But the rest of the reviews don't matter to me.
Quick replies in one word, please. Acting to you means ...
Being as natural as possible.
One person from industry whom you can call even at 3 a.m.
Anybody from the industry.
One thing that
Apart from 2 or 3 people which I don't want to call.
One thing that Shah Rukh Khan has, you wish you had.
That bungalow of his.
Mannat?
But that had come to me when I was just started off. My
Seriously?
dad's, yeah. My dad said, इतने बड़े घर में करूँ क्या? I want to ask Shahrukh इतने बड़े घर में करता क्या है तो?
Okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. Sir, ये या वो either or if you have to choose between the two, chicken biryani या mutton biryani?
बिरयानी में तो मटन ही है. But I don't want to offend chickens, so I think they're both good, depending on what blood group you are.
Who has better sense of humor, Shah Rukh या Amir?
Oh, Shahrukh.
Favorite genre as an audience, action या comedy?
Amir laughs. दिल खोल के हंसता है.
Favorite genre as an audience, action या comedy?
Actually इसको मैं rephrase करता हूँ.
जी.
वापस से पूछो.
Favorite genre as an audience,
उसके पहले वाला.
who has a better sense of humor, Shah Rukh या Amir?
I. Me. Myself.
Favorite genre as an audience, action या comedy?
Action comedy. It has to be both. I mean, they have to be really good. I mean, it can't be that action है तो you're just fighting with fighters for no rhyme or reason.
Right.
Action has got to be emotion
जी.
attached to it, and comedy it should make you like laugh.
Sir,
आदमी कॉमेडी कर रहा है और हंसी नहीं आ रही तो वो कौन सी कॉमेडी हुई?
newspapers या online blogs?
दोनों ही.
Parel या Bandra?
Bandra.
Bandra. All right. So I think that after this fabulous rapid fire with Salman sir, it's time for Katrina Kaif. What's your biggest takeaway from Bharat?
Sushi.
No.
अच्छा.
No. The process of playing the character Kumud.
What's the best thing about being single?
No झंझट, no tension.
That's it.
Whom would you go for relationship advice?
Myself. My mom.
Your mom? Okay, now we'll settle for that. Career advice?
Myself.
She's just trying to show she's independent.
Yeah.
दोनों एडवाइस के लिए मेरे पास ही आएंगी.
I think Salman sir has really, I think, given some wonderful
और
advice.
जब भी नहीं सुना है तकलीफ में आइए.
Right. I think New York, I think you recommended.
Yeah, she's not going to do it. Yeah.
Yes, and I've
And
also
so is
recommended
Raj-
and I've also
Rajniti.
recommended two
Rajniti.
directors to him.
Rajniti as well?
Yeah, and 2 directors
And
and
I've
both
also
disasters.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
Ali has come to you
Aliza come to
because
me.
of me.
Aliza come to me through
in-
you.
in Sultan
The 2 people
and
who came
Kabir
to me.
Khan.
One was Anil Sharma and one was Vipul Shah.
That's interesting.
Track record तोड़ने वाले 2 पिक्चरें मुझे मिली.
Do you read reviews of your films?
Yes.
Oh, 10 times over.
Have you ever made fun of your teachers?
No.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Yes.
Quick replies in one word, please. Salman Khan has the best on-screen chemistry with ...
His on-screen chemistry is good with everyone. I mean, it really is. I could say me, but it's like even when I see him in the Mang with Sonakshi, I think he's got great chemistry with her as well. He's got good on-screen chemistry with her.
Okay. One English film that I think should be remade in Hindi.
Gone Girl.
One film that you think was a turning point in your career.
Namaste London.
ये या वो, either or if you have to choose between the two. Etheya या Chashni?
Etheya.
Romantic comedy या suspense thriller?
At this point, suspense thriller.
Vegetables cooked या vegetables in a salad form?
Cooked.
White bread या brown bread?
Brown.
Books या magazines?
Books.
Cricket या football?
Cricket.
Jeans या sari?
Jeans. Depends what.
Salman Khan in action films या Salman Khan in comedy films?
Action.
Action. All right, so I think that was wonderful. But
She wins that also.
yes,
No, I don't. I think I lost the chance
but I
to
think
win when you
gave some
answered a
really
lot of my
wonderful answers as
questions.
well,
Yeah,
to
so
be
you can
honest.
have that one.
Should we have a poll? I think who's the rapid fire winner?
Why
If
are you
can
feeling
please-
shy to say that for advice you will come to me? Should have just said it. You take the good.
So who deserves the rapid fire? If you guys can help me with the Salman bhai?
Excuse me, who said that? Huh? Amit, is that you who said that? This is treachery. It's traitorous.
But I genuinely think he gave some
I
really,
also think
really
he-
interesting
yeah,
answers.
I agree
think
with
he
you.
gave some really interesting answers.
I agree. He
so
can
sir,
have it.
we insist that
yeah.
you can please. This is for you, sir.
सूंघता हूँ 2 किलो वजन बढ़ता है. This is for the boys and girls.
This is
here.
for the treacherous person traitorous person over there. who
So thank you very
voted
much, sir, for your
Thank
time.
you,
and
thank
thank
you.
you very much, Katrina. And
Thank you.
I think Bharat is looking amazing. We're looking forward to that. And thank you very much for your time. Thanks, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, my name is Salman Khan,
And I'm Katrina Kaif.
and you're watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.
Hungama.